I don't know if you guys can even hear me all right, but hold on. Much better. Welcome to another video, my YouTube fam. Today's a very exciting day. We have Prinsu. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty damn excited about this project today because, as you know, we had a DV8 roof rack on the Tacoma that we previously owned, but that one just didn't cut it. So we went full out and we bought the Prinsu roof rack that bolts on directly onto the GX. Basically, I already have it out. I didn't want to do an unboxing video because there's tons of them out there. We're not really gonna do an install in-depth video, but we're just gonna have fun, install it, do all the things that we gotta do, and get the GX in here and try to install it. It's pretty small, but we'll get that going. So let me just show you what the box comes with. I know it's not an unboxing video, but just so you guys can see. This thing right here, I don't know what it is. The wind fairing here, all the crossbars. Of course, we have the low profile style roof rack that mounts onto the roof. So again, for people that don't know, I've seen it often. I had it like that actually on my previous one. Some people put it like this, but if you want it to be functional, you gotta flip it to this side so you can attach stuff to the actual top of the roof rack. If not, you're not gonna be able to attach anything. So just to let you guys know, you guys need to do this. In the box, the little box, came all the, you know, washers, screws, nuts, bolts, spacers. You really need spacers. And this is for the wind fairing. And of course, our sticker. Hell yeah. Enough of me talking, let's get to the install ASAP because I cannot wait to see this thing on. Oh, give me a minute. We also got these Apache, what is this, 9800 boxes that are gonna go on top of the roof rack. As you can see, I'm 5'9", these are pretty tall, or pretty long, I would say. So they might or might not go on the roof rack today, but they will be on there. So without, that was heavy, dude. They're heavy. Supposedly the roof rack is only 50 pounds. Might be, I don't know. Let's get to the install. Let's get all these hardware and just start setting everything up, shall we? Yeah, let's do that. Looking pretty damn good. It's simple. Look up the videos. I'll pinpoint one down in the description below so you guys can check it out. Pretty simple. Bolt, 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 bolt after bolt. Just make sure you put some Loctite on it, and that's pretty much it. We still missing 1, 2, 3 crossbars, but that's because where the crossbar goes, that's where we're gonna drill into. We're not drill, but that's where we're gonna put the bolts, the stock bolts from the GX onto the Prinsu roof rack, and that should be it. And then we'll jump onto the wind fairing, and then that's pretty much it, guys. But yeah, pretty simple install, guys. Look at this. Bolts, 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 bolts. Bolts, 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 bolts. More bolts. And more bolts. We're gonna go outside, try to put the GX in here. It's super windy outside, as per usual. I don't know if you guys know, but every time we film, it's always damn windy. So we're gonna put this to the side and we're gonna try to fit the GX in here. I don't know if it's gonna fit or not. I mean, it's pretty tall. The Tacoma fit well. Let's see if the GX fits well as well. But yeah, let's move this to the side and let's get this GX in here so we can remove the stock cross rails or whatever the heck they are. I don't know. It's ugly. Let's get to it. She fits. She freaking fits. Probably not with the boxes. It'll definitely hit the roof or the top of the garage, but I think we're golden. So we already took off the stock, I guess roof rack. That's pretty much it for the removal of the stock one. We're gonna start putting sealant on the holes, and then we're gonna drop this bad boy on, and that's gonna be about it. So let's do that.
What do you have in it? Nothing?
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, this is not fitting anywhere.
Oh, what the fuck? Huge shout out to our boy Johnny Boy, Nasty Herd, Nasty Visions, and then look at those keys right there. Oh, look at the back. Oh my god. Guys, looks so good. Oh, we got it perfect. Yep.
Slow.